Hello everyone, my name is Shamsujah and I'm your instructor for Inkscape tutorial series, and I'm talking about Inkscape. And let's go to the Inkscape and how to work with Inkscape. So video I will show you how to set up a document in Inkscape. So go to file menu, top of your corner, left hand side, and in below there you can find document properties. You also can press Ctrl Shift D for your shortcut keyboards. So let's see what is in there. So you can there the general display units. You can display unit change by pixel or inches. I like pixels, so let's make it pixels. In orientation you can find portrait or landscape. If you in different purposes we'll use different. Some in summer we'll use landscape, or in summer we'll use portrait. Here are some pre-made format you can find. A4 size, this is standard format size for letter in Asia. US letter you can find 8.5 inch multiplied by 11.0 inch. US legals, and you can go below, you can find different kinds of if you want to make a banner for YouTube, you can go with 468 pixel by 60 pixels, or if you want to make an icon, you can 60 pixel by 60 pixel, 32 pixel by 32 pixel icon. And in below there you can also find a business card pre-made formation, a different size of business card. For now I am going with A4 size, and here is the A4 format size, width and height. I am going with the pixel, so in custom size I just made it pixel. So this is the pixel size, 1122 width, and height is 793. So I am making little bit change. I can make it 1200, and in here 800. You can see in right hand side it's changing. When I changing anything in the size format, you can see this is changing. This is scale X, and view box, this is the view box. Background checkboard, if you check background checkboard, your background will be changed just like that. You can also change background color by clicking here, and you can find the color in RGB, CMYK, OL, or CMS, SLS. I am going now in later video I will teach all about this 5 color. For now I am going with RGB. So okay, this is color code, that was color code. This background color is little bit changed to blue. Okay, this is the background color. It's not changing because if you want to change, you need to unclick there. And this is border, you can change the border. Display, you can also change the border color just like that. This border color is changed. So here there is guides, show guides, grids, snap, color, scripting. This is not necessary for now. We are going to just work with this page setup, documentation properties. Okay, close this this artboard is set up. Okay, and that's all for this video. In next video I'll come up with another new thing, and thanks for watching.